Hey guys, I found the best keyboard to buy right now. This keyboard's only $30 because it's on sale for Black Friday on Amazon, and it is amazing. It is made out of aluminum. It's called the Glorious GMMK, and it sounds so good. The perfect balance of not too much noise and also not too soft. It looks amazing. It has adjustable RGB lighting, and it's just really fun and easy to type on. I would highly recommend this keyboard to anyone looking to get one mechanical keyboard, and that's it. Alright, thanks for watching. See you next one.